and 1 and 2. Then you go bring your left leg, left hand down. 3, up, 4, 5, 6, 7, out, 8, around. 1 to the ground, 2. Swivel. 4, 5, 6, bring it back. 7, again, step out left. 1 and 2. 3, up, 4, right hand. 5, 6, together. 7, out, 8, around. 1, drop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. Remember, y'all, my virtual class is every Thursday, and starting next week, my class will be on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So tap the link in my bio. I hope to see y'all there. And